Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram messages unsend option not working issue. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. The restart process may differ from phone to phone. After restarting your phone, now check if the unsend message option is working or not. If not, you should force stop Instagram app. For that, click and hold the Instagram icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, you should clear the cache of the Instagram. So for that, go to storage and cache, then click on clear cache. Once you have done this, again check if it's working. If not, you should check if there is any update available for Instagram app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option here, you have to search for Instagram, and here you have to check if there is any update available. As you can see, an update is available over here. So simply click on update option and wait for some time unless the app is updated. Once the app is updated, now check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not.